So come along with us on our journey with this interesting home improvement project. We are planning to build a carport for our beautiful Winnebago Travato 59KL. And the carport is going to be flat roofed with a deck that's half covered with a gable roof. So Diane and I are working on prepping our driveway for moving the gravel pad from the right to the left, leveling it out so we can install a metal carport. So we are in the beginning stages of getting estimates and thinking this through. Probably remove this hedge here. Trying to minimize the handling of this thing. Now apply the brush killer to kill the roots. I'm guessing I saved about $1,000 or more by removing this 24-foot section of stickery, thorny hedge myself. And some of the bushes, and prune that beautiful snowdrop tree. Hey, you got it. Yeah. Hey! What a difference. We have to have an 8-foot setback from the property border. 8 feet is marked with those 3 white flags. So Diane and I are working on prepping our driveway for moving the gravel pad from the right to the left. Level out the driveway, put a retaining wall so it's not so rounded. And my hope is to get this all leveled out here, since I relocated it about 2 feet to the left side in order to get to the proper setback from the property border. And I moved the concrete blocks over to straighten it out. And those 2 stakes represent where the corner poles will be for the carport. Whoa! Oops, there he goes. Yeah, perfect. Now my work's cut out for me. Now the fun part, spreading the gravel. This now has a better foundation of gravel and rocks. Well, we got 3 yards of gravel spread out and the pad is almost level. At least this is as good as it's gonna get for now.